Unless shoes are from Kmart.
Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back to our channel. And for those who are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's vlog, it is Thursday guys, so that means it's a date night for mommy and daddy. Yes guys, it is a date night tonight, and I just finished work guys. I just hopped in the car, still at the car park right now, and I will be driving to Footscray because Dada is now waiting there for me. I think we're going to have Thai food tonight, because last week I decided where to go, so it means this week Dada will decide where to go. So we take turns guys. I think it's fair that way. Yeah, so it's one thing that is also exciting guys. I'm filming using my brand new camera, Canon M50, for the first time, and so yeah guys, it is dark already, and I think you can still see my face. Can you guys? So the background is still dark, but at least you can still see me. So I'm happy so far with the camera. And yeah guys, so I'll take you with me. I'm going to drive now. It's approximately 30 minutes drive from here to Footscray, and yeah, I'll see you all guys when we get there. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm here now. I'm so sorry about the lighting guys. I'm just relying on the street lights. So I'm just gonna put my jacket on, because just looking at the temperature, it says it's 15 degrees guys, which is not too bad for winter. So just make sure that we've got a warm jacket, and we'll take our bags and phone, got our keys. So yeah guys, we're all set, good to go, and I will see you again when we get to the restaurant. So guys, we're walking towards the restaurant now. So this is Hopkins Street in in Footscray. So I just parked the car there, and that's where we're going guys. I'm Hook. So apparently Dada is there now waiting, so let's go and meet him. Oh, there he is. He's the only one. My dad. Oh, welcome. We are open. Oh, push. Oh, thank you. How are you doing? So guys, it's my mistake. I thought it's Thai, but it's Vietnamese. So here's what the menu looks like.
I want a Thai.
Hey?
I want a Thai.
I know, but we're here now. I know we can't just...
No.
We'll go next week. Thai next week. But yeah, seriously guys, I don't even need to look at this, because Dada knows what I'm getting already. So I'm gonna get, what is it here, Daddy? Where? Oh, this one. Okay, one boy. Oh, can you read that? Spicy beef and noodle. It's $12. Drinks. Oh, they don't have a Milo, Daddy.
It's not Malaysian though.
Okay.
Look.
Sauce. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna get coconut.
Yes.
What's this one? Hi guys, that's what Daddy ordered. What's that, Daddy?
Vermicelli salad.
Vermicelli salad. There you go, you can eat now.
I know.
I'm still waiting for mine, guys.
I'm tired, so I'm just
having tea while waiting. So guys, here's mine. It is bun boe. So it's the spicy beef noodle. Have a look, yummy. And also I've got the coconut, fresh coconut juice. Daddy's eating now, guys.
Hey, Mama, come on.
So yeah, let's eat. So hi guys, we just finished with our dinner. Thank you, Daddy. Yeah, so it wasn't the best, guys. I think I've tasted better than that before, but yeah, it was good. It was free, guys, for me. So thank you, Daddy. Guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit. Daddy, can you show them my outfit, please?
Okay, so this whole outfit is brought to you by Best and Less. Shoes are from Kmart. And bag is from Target.
So guys, we just got home and Dada jumped out the car already because it's so funny. Because he wants to see Paris first, because as soon as Paris see me, then Paris will just like, you know, hang on to me. So he wanna be there first, so Paris gives her a hug. She's sleeping? Oh, okay. Well, she's sleeping, guys, so bad luck for Daddy. Can you close the door, please, Daddy? The garage door. Ah, guys, it's good to be home. Someone's eating. Paris is sleeping, guys. So I'm gonna go check them out. She's sleeping. Tita. So guys, Paris is sleeping, so I'm just gonna change clothes and get comfortable. So guys, I'm gonna show you my proper OOTD because I know Dad has been silly before. Yeah, so my shoes, have a look. So I'm wearing a nude bib toe sling high heels, and just these pants from Mango. That's what it looks like. And also guys, this top, can you believe this is only from Valley Girl? So I think I got it for $8, I think. Yeah, so it's not bad actually. So with this color, I like this color guys. It's rose, I don't know, blush pink. And yeah, just got hair clips. Yeah, 2 of them. So yeah guys, that's about it. So I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna get changed and relax and wait for Paris to wake up guys, because I can't wait to cuddle her. Who's here? Who's awake? Naguna-una pag yung papa makayo niya papa. Una ko kay kung makita ko niya. Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? Cuddle mama na lang, cuddle. What you did ayun. Say hi. Hello. Hi guys, good evening. So we are now home and I've already changed my clothes guys, so I feel comfortable and I just want to sit down and relax. But yeah, before I do that, I want to do like a mini haul, like a really tiny haul. When I came home, I saw a couple of packages, so I'll show you guys what I got from eBay. Nat, do you want to help me? Can you see Paris? Do you want to help Mama? So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this pair of shoes. Have a look. They are so cute. They are a Gucci inspired baby sneakers, and they are so freaking cute guys. So I got it from eBay for, I'd say 18 Australian dollars guys. And yeah, what I love about it, because I bought a few already before, but what I love about it is that it's very comfy. I think like when I look at Paris wearing it and Paris starts walking, like it doesn't hurt her foot because it's so soft and you can bend it. So yeah, that's what's good about it. And then the next one that I'm going to show you guys is a dress. So this one is pink and then white with a bow. Yeah, shoes. Is that your shoes? That's right. Shoes? Shoes? Yeah. Is this your shoes? So that is from Bordeaux, guys. I got a size 2 because, at least it's still big, but I think it's gonna fit her now. Got that. Do you like this one, baby girl? Yay. Hold it. You like that one? Wow, good job. And also, guys, I got her a pair of pair of jeans. Have a look how little it is. This is also from Bordeaux, guys. This is size 1, and yeah, I think this will fit her perfectly. That's what it looks on the back. Yeah. How about this, honey? You want this? Wow. Yes, that's yours. And the last one, guys, is this really cute dress. I thought it's perfect for winter, guys, because this will keep her warm, but at the same time she looks stylish. Let's have a look. It's just this mesh kind of material here. So it's one thing, guys, it's this one is connected to the knit type of top, so it looks like that. I just really love this color. It's like a dusty pink with a gray. I think they look good together. I think it's a perfect color combination, guys. So yeah, that's what I got for Paris, guys, and I got them all from eBay. And yeah, I just want to share them to you guys. So, and here's my sister. Hello. Hello. Yes. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. As usual, I'm very grateful for your time. And yeah, guys, I hope to see you all on our next one. And don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye. Oh, guys, sorry, I forgot. Paris wants to say bye. Do you want to say bye? Bye. They're waiting for you. Bye. Say bye. Say bye and then bye, flankies. Mwah. Mwah. Good girl. Bye.